Hello everyone, we're the Steve's family and we're digital nomads. We've been traveling the world for the past 3 years and it's been an incredible journey. That means we work online and we travel full-time. It's an amazing adventure. We get to experience different cultures, meet new people and try out various cuisines. We see new places and learn new things all the time. Every city has its own unique charm and history and we love discovering them. But it also means we have to be smart with our money. Managing our finances is crucial to sustaining this lifestyle. That's why we make a budget. We track every expense and plan our spending carefully. A budget helps us spend less than we earn. It ensures we can save for future travels and unexpected expenses. It lets us travel longer and have more fun. We can explore more destinations and create lasting memories. Let me show you how we do it. We use various tools and apps to keep everything organized and on track. Imagine you're on a road trip. You wouldn't start driving without knowing how much gas you have, right? A budget is like a gas gauge for your money. It shows you how much you can spend each month. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend. Then you might have to cut your trip short. No fun. Budgeting gives us peace of mind. We know we can afford our adventures, and that makes traveling way more enjoyable. So, what do we spend money on as digital nomads? It's a question we often get asked. The biggest expenses are usually accommodation, travel, food, and work stuff. These are the essentials that keep us going. Accommodation can be pricey, especially in big cities. The cost of living varies greatly depending on where we are. We try to find affordable places to stay, like apartments or hostels. Sometimes we even consider house sitting to save money. Travel costs add up too, especially with flights. Airfare can be a significant part of our budget. We often choose cheaper options like trains or buses. These modes of transport not only save money but also offer unique experiences. Food is another big expense. We love exploring local markets and trying new dishes. We love trying local cuisine, but it can get expensive eating out all the time. Street food is a great way to enjoy local flavors without breaking the bank, so we cook at home whenever possible. It's not only cost-effective but also a fun family activity. Finally, we have work expenses like internet and phone bills. Staying connected is crucial for our lifestyle. We try to keep these costs low by finding good deals. Comparing plans and being mindful of our usage helps us manage these expenses effectively. Section 4. Smart ways to save. In this section, we'll share some practical tips and strategies that have helped us save money while living a nomadic lifestyle. Saving money is important even when you're on the road. Whether you're traveling for a short vacation or living a full-time nomadic life, every penny counts. For accommodation, we use websites like Airbnb or Booking.com to find good deals. These platforms offer a variety of options, from budget-friendly rooms to entire homes, making it easier to find something that fits our needs and budget. Sometimes we even do house sitting to get free accommodation. This not only saves us money, but also gives us a chance to live like locals and take care of pets, which is a bonus for our kids. To save on travel, we fly during the off-season or take overnight buses or trains. These options are often cheaper and can also save us the cost of a night's accommodation. We also walk or bike whenever possible. Not only is this a great way to save money, but it's also a fantastic way to explore new places and stay active. Eating out can be expensive, so we cook most of our meals at home. And this allows us to try local ingredients and recipes, making our meals both economical and culturally enriching. We buy groceries at local markets, which is cheaper and more fun. Shopping at local markets not only saves money, but also gives us a chance to interact with locals and learn more about the culture. Finally, we're always on the lookout for free activities. Many cities offer free events, outdoor concerts, and community activities that are both entertaining and budget-friendly. We visit parks, museums, and explore the cities we're in. Many museums offer free entry on certain days, and parks are always a great place for a family outing without spending a dime. Section 5. Budgeting together. We make our budget together as a family. That way, everyone is on the same page. We talk about our income and our expenses. We also set financial goals together, like saving for a special trip. Talking about money openly helps us stay on track. It also prevents arguments and misunderstandings. Being a digital nomad family is an amazing adventure. Budgeting helps us make the most of it.